Smartphones have replaced many tech gadgets. In today's world, smartphones are coming out with professional quality cameras that give a big competition to DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. A smartphone's camera is not a joke. But DSLRs are still used because of their proper grip for photography. But what if we tell you that you can convert your smartphone into DSLR? Yes, you heard it right, say bye to your DSLR. Welcome to the world of tech. Say hi to the Shiftcam Pro Grip. It's the battery grip that will allow you to stay in the moment and enjoy the experience while capturing. It provides stable grip for right groove locations and heft for a solid handle. Shooting with a DSLR camera provides us with a reassuring feeling of balance and stability. That is what is missed most when shooting with a phone. Wouldn't it be great if we could bring what's best from professionals into mobile? And exactly that innovation is what Shiftcam is. It is ergonomic and has comfortness of the grip, allowing you to capture free of worries and stay in the moment. Also means providing the power needed. That's why the program has a built-in battery with wireless charging. Purposefully designed to let you shoot with your index finger again. Landscape or portrait mode so you can feel like a pro. And shoot like a pro. Your creativity should not be restricted by your phone's battery. The Pro Grip's battery delivers the optimal capacity through fast wireless charging technology, bringing you a seamless solution for shooting and charging all day long so you can stay in the moment empowered. It didn't just stop there. What makes the program truly remarkable is the uninterrupted transition to become a portable media dock for a seamless transition to a hands-free live stream, a video call continuing your Netflix, a marathon during lunch, or having a chef teach you how to create the perfect dish. Indoors, outdoors, landscape, portrait, and it's a universal fit for all smartphones. Gear up no matter what kind of storyteller you are. Take charge of your creativity with Shiftcam's Pro Grip. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more exciting tech videos. Thanks for watching.